Hi everyone, my name is Andy Park. Welcome back to this channel. One of the benefits of using a digital note-taking tool like OneNote is that it allows us to bring in different contents into our notes, whether it be a snippet of a web page or an entire PowerPoint file. In this video, I'll share with you the benefits of inserting file printouts to your OneNote and what you can do with them, show you the different ways you can insert the file printouts to your OneNote note pages, and show you how you can fix the common problem of the inserted file not displaying in the correct orientation. And I'll share a pro tip at the end, so be sure to stick around for that. Interacting with the printed file. So why would you want to insert a file printout into OneNote in the first place? After all, we have this other option to simply attach the file instead. One of the benefits of having a file printout inserted into our notes is that the file contents are fully searchable within OneNote. So having all your reference materials printed to OneNote will help you find things quickly. Another benefit is that you can make annotations on the inserted file. Almost every meeting that I attend, someone is presenting a file of some sort, whether it's a PowerPoint or an Excel spreadsheet. It's very rare that I join a meeting where it's pure dialogue and discussions. So if you have access to the presentation materials in advance of the meeting, it helps so much with note-taking. Rather than typing everything out, I can make simple annotations in the relevant sections of the printout. So how do we insert the file printout? There are a few different ways to do this. Option 1. The simplest and the most straightforward way to insert a file printout is go to the Insert tab in your OneNote page and selecting File Printout. You can navigate to the file and select Insert. As you can see, it inserted the individual pages of the file. If you want to rescale the page size, you can simply use the corner handles and drag. Make sure to use the corner handle and not the side or bottom handles, as that will change the ratio and distort the display. If you make a mistake while resizing, you can right-click on the page and select Restore to Original Size. You will also notice that the file icon has been inserted along with the printed content. This is a copy of the original file, which is stored in OneNote's temporary application folder. So if you want to view the document in its native application, you can double-click to open. If you make changes here, it'll cascade over to the inserted file. Save the change and close. You see there's a message here indicating that the printout may be out of date. Right-click and choose Refresh. Now you see the printout has been updated with the changes. Option 2. You can also send file printouts to OneNote directly from the application that you're using. You just need to navigate to the print dialog and select OneNote Desktop as your printer. Hit print, switch over to your OneNote app, where you'll see this dialog box asking you to select where in OneNote you want to insert this printout. You can navigate to the appropriate notebook section and page. I'm simply going to choose Current Page. Option 3. Lastly, you can just drag and drop the file from your File Explorer directly into the OneNote note page. Simply select Insert Printout and the file will be inserted. Now sometimes when you insert a printout, the display orientation will be wrong, and there's no option to rotate the inserted printout. If this happens, we need to make changes in the system print setting. Let's delete this printout by selecting All and hitting Delete. Open the file that you want to insert, and in the print dialog, select the correct print orientation from there. This is found either in the page setup section or the print settings section, depending on which application you're printing from. It's already showing the correct orientation, so let's hit print. Now the file is displayed correctly. Pro tip. Here's a pro tip that I promised earlier. Since the inserted printout is just another element on the page, there's risk that we may accidentally move it, which will make all the annotations be misaligned with the content. You see here that the highlights are not over the correct text. I'm going to undo the move by hitting Ctrl Z. Let's set this printout as a background and fix it to the page. Now we can add annotations and other elements over the printout without worrying that we'll accidentally move it. Okay, so that's how you insert and engage with file printouts in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.